I'm Jeff Wren, Vice President of Biotherapies with the AABB, otherwise known as the Association for the Advancement of Blood and Biotherapies. Yeah, we're coming from the AABB annual meeting in Houston, Texas. Right now, we're at the Biotherapies Pavilion located in our exhibit hall, where we've been able to host a couple of great discussions with some of our members around tips for commercializing new allogeneic cell therapy products, AI in the GMP setting, and how we can use that to advance our work. We've also had some really nice discussions around supply chain and how we can use emerging technologies to really push some of those issues forward. This year, we are able to engage in some great discussions with our membership, those who provide the cellular starting material, as well as the developers of those who use that material to develop advanced therapies. We've identified a lot of the key issues which are really slowing down progress to getting these products out to more patients. We're excited to address these issues in the next year, where we'll be discussing them at the 2025 annual meeting in San Diego.